All right, this is really interesting. I found a niche that is super surprising. That is a multi-million dollar niche. It's doing exceptionally well on Etsy right now. So I want to talk about this niche and kind of how to think about some of these trends and work them into and try and fit them into whatever your niche is. Because part of selling and the success of selling on Etsy, if I could say success correctly, is finding something you're passionate about, finding a niche to be able to build on and grow so you can learn your audience better, but also finding ways to work in some trending stuff into your niche where it fits. So let's dive in here and I'm going to talk about this and show you kind of what I'm talking about. So inside the Etsy Marketplace Insights, which you have a free version of this, I believe, in there, but if you have Etsy Plus, you have the full version. This is okay. Hopefully Etsy makes this better. It is very limited right now, but you can still use this to your advantage to get some ideas for either if you're starting an Etsy shop, what to sell, or if you have an existing shop, what to sell as well, or how to kind of continue to build out your niche. So a good way to look at this is broken out by the main categories up here, and it will bring the top four sub niches within these categories, and you can kind of see the search traffic last 30 days of searches here at the bottom, the bottom left. So this is kind of a good place to start, and you can kind of see, okay, within your niche, what are some ideas, but you can also use this to see kind of what is trending. And this is one thing that I found that I thought was really surprising, but also pretty cool, is so under under bags and purses, badge reels has almost 200,000 searches in 30 days. I mean, that is absolutely wild. I never would have thought that badge reels were that popular, but badge reels are basically, if you have a badge, if you work for a corporation or if you're a nurse or whatever, you have to have a badge reel where basically it holds your badge and it kind of extends out, and people decorate those. So if you can make badge reel decorations, or you have a 3D printer and can fit that in, or whatever the case may be, this may be something that is good for you to get into. But you can kind of click. So say this is a niche we want to kind of see. If we want to add this or see more information, we can click into this and we can kind of see, okay, here's the searches. It's maintained pretty much the same, hasn't really dipped at all. So you can tell it's not really, it's a trend, but not really. I mean, the last 30 days, that's why I wish they had more than 30 days. So the last 30 days has been holding steady. It could still be more of a trend if we look at it more than 30 days. But we can kind of see the search terms: nurse badge reel, funny badge reel, cute, funny, labor and delivery. So if this is something like, so say where our niche is nurses, maybe we want to start offering nurse badge reels. Man, I can't talk today. I said nurse. So, or, maybe we have funny stuff. Maybe we want to start off from funny badge reels. But then you can kind of go down here and you can see, okay, here's dog badge reels, and these are bestsellers. So this is some good ideas that if this fits into your niche that maybe you want to use to your advantage and start offering some of this stuff too. So there's a lot of different really good ideas. These are all bestsellers. Oh my God, there's a glows in the dark cow abduction badge reel. So I could see, if you're wearing this every day, you want to have, it's like a watch. You want to have a couple of badge reel accessories. But taking this a step further, if I go over to Alora, which is a third-party keyword tool, I can see kind of the estimated revenue, whereas Etsy doesn't show this. And these are only estimates. They don't have the actual real. It pulls Etsy's API data, but it's not like every little detail. So a lot of this is estimated. But you can see like just badge reels, like $10 million estimated revenue. Nurse badge reels, like 7 million. Badge holder, 11 million. So it kind of gives you an idea of some other keyword terms as well, if you want to kind of do some additional research within this niche. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. I would say that this is one of the hottest niches that I've seen, which is pretty cool. It's kind of one of those things that's kind of unexpected. So I like kind of looking and seeing what niches are out there, what sub niches are out there. And it's very, very interesting to see. So that's it. Hopefully that helps you guys out. If you guys want more help growing your Etsy shop, hop over to the Etsy Games VIP program. We do live coaching. I do courses. I do your SEO, help you with trends. It's just positive, safe, motivational place to come hang out and grow your Etsy business. But I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.